Hey guys, I'm Amit Kumar and welcome to this video in which we are going to discuss about loop control structure. Now when the program control flow executes some set of statements repeatedly till a condition remains true, then it belongs to loop control structure. And as we discussed earlier, loop means repeating a certain set of statements. Now loop statements are also known as iterative statements. And to understand the scenario, let's see some problems. Now create a flowchart to show numbers from 1 to 10. Create a flowchart to show the sum of the first 10 natural numbers and create a flowchart to show table of a number. So let's proceed. Now let's see how to show numbers from 1 to 10. We will definitely start. We will take a num variable and assign value 1 to it as we need to print from 1 to 10. We will show the number. We will add 1 to the number. So first time, definitely num variable will have 1 and when it will show the value it will show 1, and then we add 1 to the current value. The current value is 1 itself, so 1 plus 1 will become 2 and the new value of num variable will be 2. We will check whether num is less than equals to 10 or not. Why we are checking it? Because we have to print up to 10 only. So the condition depends on the ending point. If this condition is true, we will get back and we will show the number again. This time it's 2. We will show 2 over here and add 1 to the current value. The current value is 2, so 2 plus 1 is 3 and the new value of num is 3. Again the condition will remain true and it will print the value, add the value, and this process will go on until unless the current value of num becomes 10. So when we will display 10, add 1 to 10, the new value of num will become 11 and this condition will become false as 11 is neither less than nor equals to 10. And as the condition will become false, we will stop. So this is a simple flowchart to show how we can perform a repetitive set of statements according to a given condition. Now let's see how to show sum of 10 natural numbers. We will start. We will take two variables over here because first 10 natural numbers starts from 1 itself, so num is assigned with 1, and another variable sum where we are holding sum of all the values. We have assigned it with 0 as 0 is additive identity. That means 0 is a value which you can add to any number without changing the value of the number. Now we will add num to sum. Sum is currently 0. We will add 1 to it. So 1 plus 0 will become 1 and the new value of sum is 1. We will add 1 to num and new value of num will become 2. We will check the same condition if num is less than equals to 10 or not. If the condition is true, which is true right now, it will go back and add the current value of num to the current value of sum. Now the current value of sum is 1, the current value of num is 2. So 1 plus 2 will become 3 and sum will be assigned with 3. Num will be incremented to 3 now. Condition is again true. And 3 plus 3 it will become 6, num will become 4, and this will keep on executing till the value of num is 10. When the value of num is 10, sum will have something like 45. So 45 plus 10 will become 55, so sum will have 55. Num will become 11 now and this condition will become false. We will come out of the loop and we will show the sum. Now the value of sum is 55 and we know sum of first 10 natural numbers is 55 only. And then after we will stop the flowchart. Now let's see how to show table of a number. We will start. We will accept a number. We will take a counter as 1 because when we print table of a number, we multiply the number from 1 to 10. So we have taken a count variable as 1. We multiplied the number. Suppose the number is 2. So we will multiply 2 with 1. So it is equals to 2 into 1 and result will be 2. We will increment the value of count. We will show the result here because in the table we have to show it all the time. If you remember the previous flowchart, there we need to show the total sum and hence we displayed it after the loop. But here we need to print the table and we need to print at least 10 times. So that's why we are printing it inside the loop. So after showing the result, we will check the value of count. As we are going to multiply the number up to 10 only, the condition is count is less than equals to 10. As the condition is true, it will move back and it will multiply the current value of count with num. Num is always 2. 2 into 2 is 4. So new value of res is 4. New value of count will become 3. It will show 4 and it will check the condition. It will keep on going like this till the value of count is 10. When it will be 10, 2 will be multiplied by 10, rest will be 20, count will become 11, it will show 20 over there, it will check the condition which will become false and hence it will stop. So that marks the end of this video. See you soon in the next video. Till then, thank you and take care.